Page number 2, A to Z. Observe the given picture carefully to find as many words as you can for each of the letters from A to Z. चित्राचे नीट निरीक्षण करा. ए पासून झेड पर्यंत प्रत्येक अक्षरासाठी त्या त्या अक्षराने सुरू होणारे जास्तीत जास्त शब्द चित्रात शोधा व लिहा. Words from A: apple, arrow, aeroplane. Words from B: boy, butterfly, bus stop, banana, brinjal. Words from C: cat, cow, cap. Words from D: dog, drum. Words from E: elephant, egg. Words from F: file. Words from G: girl, grandfather, grass. Words from H: house, horse, hat. Words from I: ice cream. Words from J: joker. Words from K: kite. Words from L: lock, line. Words from M: man, monkey. Words from N: nest. Words from O: owl, orange. Words from P: pumpkin, parrot, papers. Words from Q: म्हणजे रांग. Words from R: rabbit, rose, ribbon. Words from S: sun, sparrow, sheep. Words from T: tree, telephone. Words from U: umbrella. Words from V: van. Words from W: well, wall. Words from X: Xerox. Words from Y: yawn. Words from Z: zebra.